This video is designed for educational purposes only and is not intended for do-it-yourself projects. Licensed, permitted, and insured contractors must be hired and must follow local plumbing and electrical building codes. The majority of Ella walk-in tubs are equipped with the industry's best dual drain technology. Dual 2-inch drains provide fast, efficient drainage. The floor drain covers are height adjustable for optimum sealing and draining function. Ella's dual drain technology showcases gravity-driven T-type 4-port dual 2-inch drains. The dials function as overflow protection and utilize a stainless steel cable with lever to open or close each floor drain. The dual drain also works as a vent system, allowing for fast air pocket relief and drainage. Here we can clearly see the dual 2-inch drains with 4 ports. Connect all 4 drains or connect either side depending on house drain condition. Use caps to seal unused port. This illustrates how either side of the dual ports can easily be utilized. Again, we show here how we've capped off the unused ports. Connect house drain to the T-fitting on either side using all 4 ports or just 2. Ella offers a 5-piece or a 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Each comes with an extendable multifunction hand shower. Ella tubs are shipped with 5-foot supply lines. Here's an example of 3/4-inch shutoff valves which we strongly recommend you install near the tub or somewhere very close for easy access and service. Ella makes sure the electrical components are clearly marked and easily accessible. The pumps and other electronics are UL certified, user-friendly, easily connected, and simply plug into a GFCI receptacle. Every tub must be perfectly level and door must be perfectly aligned prior to filling and testing. Adjust the level of your particular tub with the adjustable legs. Once the tub is perfectly level, testing can begin. Please consult the installation manual for detailed instructions. Call us today at 800-480-6850 or visit our website at ellasbubbles.com.